a world-class collection could feature as the cream of the collection one of those sets. What we put into the $1 million shot was a Boucher Blue Comet locomotive and tender. We didn't have room for the entire train because the entire train is 11 feet long. A Mayflower by American Flyer. A Prosperity Special by IVES. The Green 408 locomotive by Lionel. We have a Marklin standard gauge locomotive. An IVES White steam locomotive. Running behind those, we have the IVES transition era Olympian. Completing the 8 is the Florida Limited. Cumulatively, those 8 sets exceed $1 million in current value.